What's going on, everybody? David from Motor Speed. We are back again with a family-friendly commuter this time. This is a small, mid-size SUV. She's all-wheel drive. We got the Hyundai Tucson 2013, 136,000 miles, clean title. We'll do a quick walk around with this beauty right here and check her out. She is looking mighty fine. This is the upgraded limited model, and it has a 2.4 liter motor up from the 2.0 base one. It's got these cool little fog lights here, pretty nice design, cool grille, some beautiful bikes in the back, but don't mind those for now. You can check out our other videos for those. Cool little sporty wheels to get you by. The best part is this baby's all-wheel drive, so you can take her up to Tahoe. You got plenty of room for the whole family and the groceries, but you can still fit in a decent sized parking spot. Not to mention it gets 30 miles or more on the freeway. And check out this interior, such quality designs. Hyundai never cheaps out on their materials. They really offer amazing quality for the price. And the materials they use for these seats, the combination of materials here, it's actually quite neat. It's like leather with maybe like pleather, whatever they call it, two-tone here, and this is kind of like a suede kind of fabric. Very clean body, 2013, so it's 13-year-old car. Sure doesn't look like it. Cool spec here. Like I mentioned, all-wheel drive. You open it up here, you can check out the weather mat. Tucson. Seats go down, plenty of space over here. That's manual, so it won't break with the fancy button like some of those newer German cars, you could say. Yeah, every angle on this baby's nice. It's kind of sporty. You can see the roof line, how it kind of has this shape, even with the little roof spoiler there. It's actually quite sporty for what it is. And you got the ski racks. It's an added bonus. Again, the interior, very clean, very simple, in great shape. And this is such an interesting color too. You got like a kind of a brown with like a beige taupe, and then this is a combination of the two here. And same with this here. You got a darker brown with like a lighter beige, kind of matches the seats, as you can see there. You have little features like these guys here, which is cool, you know, for 2013. That's not too bad. Check out the interior a little bit, show you guys how this is looking. 136,000 miles, like I mentioned. Radio sounds nice. Very nice, very nice. It feels very planted on the road, very solid, easy to drive, easy to commute with. Good on gas, lots of space here. You can even grip this if you were to get crazy. Lots of space there. You got the glasses holder here. Looks like these come down. You got this here, and then this also comes out, so it looks like you can go like this, which is pretty cool. And then you can also go like this a little bit further. Some extend the whole thing out like that here. This one's got this guy here, which is pretty neat. I like that. Oh, and that you can turn on and off as well, even without the light. You can turn that off. Same with this one here. Let's see. Okay, so it's only with the switch, I guess. It's not. Okay, so you have, that's pretty cool. It's the first time I've seen that as well. You have the availability to do that. So there you go. Interior's in great shape. Sounds great. It's obviously not a sports car. You even have active eco here, So now it's in eco mode. And then you can get even more gas mileage. You have Bluetooth, XM, MP3 here, CD, CD in, CD out. And you have the controls here as well. So there you guys have it. We deal with all sorts of vehicles, not just the fast ones and the crazy V8s. We got nice commuters too, like this, affordable, dependable. So come by, check them out. We have cars, trucks, motorcycles, dirt bikes for sale, and we'd be happy to help you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Someone's looking for a great commuter, first car, you know, somebody who needs a first car, maybe somewhere all-wheel drive where they get some snow or different types of weather. It's very safe, very, very good looking, clean, white. What more could you ask for? If you guys like the video, give us a thumbs up. That's a thumbs up right there that we want to see at the very least. If not, subscribe. Check us out next time. Peace.